Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Band 3.5 to 4.5, lesson number 11, Reading Part 2. Let's move on to it. Our lesson for today is focusing on vocabularies and finding antonyms for certain common words. Before we move on to what antonyms are, let's see what synonyms are. So synonyms means a word that has the same or almost the same meaning as another word. For example, pretty, beautiful, hard, solid. And antonyms are words with the opposite or almost opposite definition or meaning. For examples, possible, impossible, bad, good, correct, incorrect, brave, coward, and so on and so forth. You get the idea. So we have a list of words over here, and we have all of these options right here, you see? And what I want you to do is I want you to find the antonyms of the words that are listed here, right? Like, what is the antonym of big? It is small, right? What's the antonym of bright? It's dark, so on and so forth. Okay? Now I want you to try and do it on your own first before we check your answers. Alright everyone, I hope you finished your assignment. Now let's see if you have the correct answers. Alright? So first of all, big, it is small. Bright is the antonym of dark. Cold, antonym of hot. Comfortable is uncomfortable. And quiet is noisy. Alright, let's review the words and the antonyms one last time. Big, small. Big, small. Bright, dark. Bright, dark. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Quiet, noisy. Quiet, noisy. Comfortable, comfortable. Uncomfortable, uncomfortable. Okay, thank you for being with me here for today's lesson. I hope to see you again. Remember to like and subscribe and learn today better tomorrow.